right, for this video, I wanted to walk you all through HVAC, Google Ads for HVAC, and give you some insight into my process. So, first, I start off with finding keywords that are related to the services that HVAC companies provide. And as you can see, air conditioning, installation, repair, maintenance, furnace repair, installation, maintenance, boiler installation, maintenance. And so, what do we do with these keywords? Well, obviously, you have the search button here, you have the cost per click, you have some trend data. Um, and what I do is I kind of reverse engineer a bit. I've mentioned that in some of my other videos. So, here is a local air conditioning contractor who needs more effective advertising. They're basically selling that their conversion rates for calls or visits to the websites are low. And in the people's responses, they're basically telling them it's hard to run these lead gen campaigns and run them to the website in hopes that somebody will take another action in order to spend money. So, how I think about this issue is I would take this list of keywords and I would find the keyword difficulty. And so I did that here and I focus on competition where it's doable or fair. And you're probably wondering, why do you care about these doable or fair keywords when you just said you're looking for companies running HVAC ads? Well, one, obviously, companies want more customers. Two, they want them at a lowest cost as possible. Three, if they're online saying, I'm a local based marketer, my ads aren't working, that obviously means they're wasting some money. So we're wasting valuable advertising dollars. So we're communicating a problem that needs a solution. And also, he also says I'm not an advertising or marketing professional, and he's lost in the platform. So I will leave the platform situation for the platform gurus. Here you can see like ClickSpeak, for example. Great channel, great channel. I believe they even have like HVAC commercial cleaning clients. I'm not focused on that right now. I'm focused on some non-paid options that they can do to generate traffic and kind of combine it with the strategy that the person up here stated, which is if you get them to your website, get them to basically be able to book an appointment. So I'm going to walk you through how I would do that. I would find for this air conditioning company, and again, don't worry about like all the other keywords because these keywords are just HVAC service related keywords. It's just a list of them, right? I would find the ones that are specifically related to the air conditioning, right? Even here, tease these apart some more. Ductwork, right? Ductwork installation, all right? And I would write content around these topic areas and build out their website to talk about these things and then have a CTA where they're booking an appointment. A lot of people like to use forms or call us, but I would do something where they can book their appointment. You would have set prices for these types of services. And so you would book the appointment and collect their payment all on the same page. Why? Because if the people are locally searching for the services like this, you can just bypass the ads for that purpose. Another example, emergency HVAC services, thermostat replacement. These are all what we call low-hanging fruit opportunities that companies can use for their marketing. These are the tough ones. I would avoid these. NAs, that doesn't mean nobody's searching for it, but there's probably not enough data related to those keywords. I still would probably target these as well for organic content build out. An example of a keyword with low hanging fruit opportunity would be HVAC tune up. So try HVAC tune-up near me. There are some companies. These are some medium-ish companies in my area. I don't know if they're medium or small. Uh, but there's not that many ads, right? HVAC tune-up, cost per click is $5. It has a search volume of 880. That's pretty good. And again, it shows that this has a lot of additional high intent keywords. So you pair these high intent keywords with these low difficulty terms, and you basically can improve your conversions for your website doing sales. Another service, let's see, AC drain line cleaning. The two big companies near me are running ads for this, but some of the other smaller companies are not. So back to what I was explaining about how to use these things, these reports for basically like market insight is I ran the software. I've talked about this in a few of my videos, so you can go back to those and see me do a walkthrough of like what the software is, how it works. But basically, if I know that companies have HVAC services, HVAC in itself is a high competition. So the logic is to find keywords that are lesser competition, easier to target. They still have a pretty high search volume, and then use a software like the one I have access to. I can provide these types of reports and strategies for you, as well as the implementation of the types of content that I'm talking about building out and marrying that with a actual sales system. So let's say they ran ads for AC drain line cleaning near me. They could do a whole build out of that. Let's find. That's Amazon. Roto. See for also, in case you haven't seen any of my other videos, the software shows you exactly what the ads look like. So let me see if I just target the keyword AC drain line cleaning. This one ran for 100 locations, 100 top cities across the USA. Nothing shows for lead generation. One is marketing, 75 other might be like Amazon or something like this. But what you can do is you can target the software for a specific location. So let's say Frisco, Texas. Filter down. I don't know how many advertisers are there. Let's see. 4 ads are found. These are the ads in Frisco running for the exact same keyword, AC drain line cleaning near me. As a test use case, let's see about near where I am located. And no businesses in St. Louis are running for that. When I say St. Louis, it's like across the water. So in some of my other videos, I mentioned how we can get this down to like a zip code level targeting, or say I want St. Louis and all the little surrounding cities, Granite City, Alton. I can compile a report based on all of the surrounding cities, not just the ones that are in this filter for top 100. Okay, Orlando, Florida. Nobody is running ads for what I say, AC drain line cleaning near me. So hopefully you guys are seeing what I mean by this. If you are providing HVAC services, this is the summertime, it's June 1st. It's an opportunity for you to use some of these other keywords that people don't target. See, in Dallas, is this Dallas? Yes. In Dallas, there are 6 ads running. Billy Go, Roto Rooter. We keep seeing them in multiple locations, obviously. Roto-Rooter is pretty huge. And so what you can do with this phrase, even just AC drain line cleaning, right? Forget the near me, just pair that with like different cities and stuff like this. Okay, think about pay per call marketing, when you go to like a ClickBank and you find HVAC company who's looking for people to drive more traffic, more phone calls for them. You would use some of these little or lesser known keywords to do just that. I hope this video was helpful. I won't belabor my point that the software can give real-time data around Google Ads. It can help you identify who your competitors are. And again, by competitors, we mean people who are running ads. So if you don't see a company who's running ads, also, this is really funny, right? On a Saturday at 2 p.m., only one person was running ads for these four, I think it's four, no, one keyword. There we go. For these three keywords, let me go back to the schedule because I was like, that is strange. Oh, only four at 2 p.m., right? So how do you use this data? You basically go back to your people in your market and say, "Hey, Orlando, Florida, nobody's running ads for this keyword. Don't you think we should try it?" Because it gives you more opportunity to optimize your advertising campaigns. It gives you more time to see, okay, if everybody's running at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. on a Saturday, but we don't see anything around 10 a.m. and noon, some of these folks could start running their ads at different times, right? So that's how I use the data. Um, yeah, if you like this content, if you want more, if you have keywords that you want me to run the software for and a location, feel free to drop comments below. If you want this document where I have given some of the lesser known service areas that you could be writing content for, optimizing your Google My Business, well, Google Business Profile now, for these keywords, I will happily give you access to it. All you have to do is, for now, shoot me an email at kayla@digitalgeeks.marketing. When I am able to do links in my videos, I know I've said this like 4 or 5 times, I will set up a page for you all to go to, and then you can just submit a form and I will create these things for you. And if you're interested in me just doing this for your business, Kayla@digitalgeeks.marketing, or you can go to our website. Uh, Feel free to book a call. You can bypass all the buy now clicks. Feel free to book a call. I am open to talking strategy and understanding your business needs. Thanks. Have a good night.